फ्रेंड, माय नेम इज़ निशा। स्वागत है आपका साइंस ज्ञान सागर में। तो देखते हैं हम आज कुछ साइंस के बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। तो देखते हैं द पुलिंग सेंशन व्हेन वी स्टैंड नियर आर रनिंग ट्रेन कैन बी एक्सप्लेन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ। जब हम चलती ट्रेन के पास खड़े होते हैं तो खींचने वाला संवेदना को डैश के आधार पर समझाया जाता है। तो बेर्नोइल्स लॉ के द्वारा समझाया जाता है। Who give the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. Who give the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. According to Albert Einstein was the founder of the theory of the relativity. According to Einstein, theory was equivalent of to energy E given to the relation E mc square, where c is the speed of light in vacuum. Albert Einstein awarded the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics for his contribution to the field of theoretical physics. The recoiling of gun is example of which following? गन का recoiling निम्नलिखित में से किसका उदाहरण है? तो law of conservation of linear momentum. Which of the recoiling of gun is the example of law of conservation of linear momentum? When gun fire is fire a bullet, it experience a force in forward direction action. As a result, the gun exerts a backward force reaction on the shoulder. Thus, it is accordance with the law of conservation of the linear momentum, which is the new third law of motion. Stereoid. What is the unit of solid angle? Stereoidian. What is the unit angle of the stereoidian? Stereoidian is the unit of solid angle in a space. One stereoidian is defined as the solid angle of a sphere subtended at the center of the sphere by that surface of the surface whose area is equal to the square of the sphere in radius, that is sphere. The equation of motion v equal to u plus at can be applied in the following case when acceleration is constant. The force acting on a body for a short time period is called impulse. किसी पिंड पर थोड़े समय के लिए कार्य करने वाला बल को impulse कहा जाता है. The force acting on a body for a short time period are called impulse. Example, hitting a ball with the butts. Impulse average force into time. It is a measure of the total effect of the force. It is a unit of ns. The inability of a body to change its state of rest or motion is known as. किसी पिंड की अपनी विराम अवस्था या गति को बदलने में असमर्थता के रूप में जाना जाता है इनर्शिया को. Inertia is the property of matter by which it is a continue in its existing state of rest or uniform motion is straight line unless the state of change by the external force. There are three types of inertia: rest, inertia of motion, inertia of direction. Which of the following is not a method of reducing friction? By lubrication, by polishing, throwing sand of the ground? None of the. Some of the way reducing friction: by the polishing, by lubrication, by proper selection of material, by streamlining, by using ball bearing. Which of these are the force required to move a body uniformly in an article? इनमें से कौन सा बल किसी पिंड को एक वृत्त में एक समान गति करने के लिए आवश्यक है? सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स. Centripetal force is force required to move a body uniformly in a circle. This force acts along the radius and toward the center of the circle. Centrifugal force is the force that arises when a body is moving actually along a circular path by the virtue of the tendency of the body to regain path. X-ray X-ray VC vintage. Not a measuring of pressure. Beer, bar, torr, Pascal. Shake नहीं है. Which of the unit is the smallest term of the length? Fermi. What is the value of triple point of water? 273.16 Kelvin. Joule kilo is a unit of latent heat. Power of the lens is measured in which of the following unit? Depth. Which of the following? Which among the following compound is most commonly used in a photochromic lenses? सिल्वर क्लोराइड. निम्न में से कौन सा यौगिक फोटोक्रोमिक लेंस में सबसे अधिक प्रयोग किया जाता है? सिल्वर क्लोराइड. The force that binds the neutron and proton in nucleus is called a strong nuclear force. An electrical generator is based on which of the following Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Which of the following branch of the physics deal with the study of atomic nuclei? Atomic nuclei, nuclear physics. Which of the following called a hyposodium thiosulfate? Hyposodium thiosulfate. Which also known as a white gold platinum. White gold platinum is generally white metal. It doesn't not need to allow for color. Due to the appearance of white is commonly known as white gold. फूल गोल्ड, निम्नलिखित से कौन से फूल गोल्ड कहा जाता है? आयरन सल्फाइड को. द मिनरल पायराइट, आयरन पायराइट, आल्सो नोन एज द